यावेळी गोलंच्या डोक्यावर चेंडूला उडवलंय. क्षेत्ररक्षक आहे, बराच प्रयत्न करतो आटोकाट, परंतु थांबवण्यात यश येणार.
Short of lane delivery. This is played down nicely down to the backward point region and good effort but in vain. A boundary never.
यह बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रोक. हाथों में ये गेंद और ये कैच छूटा. शॉर्ट ऑफ लेन गेंद को देखा.
Short of lane delivery. Nicely played down the ground. It is racing towards the long off region for a boundary. Brilliant batting this. Played on. This is played down nicely down to the deep extra cover region. Just misses the boundary holdings on the full. This is played once again nicely inside out shot and that's a maximum. That's a sixer. That's what I said. Looks set now, Siddhant Singh. Flatter this time and nicely hit on the inside out shot once again. One bounce over the ropes. Brilliant he has been, Siddhant Singh.